How to use end-to-end encryption or secret messages on Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can use the secret messages in Facebook Messenger, which is slightly different to disappearing messages. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Messenger app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Messenger. Go ahead and simply either download or update the app first. Once you've updated Messenger app, I'm going to open it. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now if I go ahead and open any of the chat screen, this is actually a normal chat, and there is also another chat which is a disappearing chat, which simply means that when you chat with them, that message is going to be disappeared right after you leave the conversation, or you can set a timer for 2 to 3 hours or up to 24 hours, and that is simply how disappearing messages work. But secret conversation or secret messages is slightly a little bit different compared to your normal conversations, and whenever you actually send a secret conversation, even Facebook or Meta themselves will not be able to know what messages you send to that person. All of the messages which you send in a normal chat is actually going to be tracked by Meta, but in secret conversation, no one else is going to track your messages. So in order to find out the feature, what we will do is tap on the eye icon which you see on the top right corner. As you tap on the eye icon, you'll be able to see a list of various options, and you'll find this little lock button as well which says go to secret conversation. I'll simply select go to secret conversation over here, and you can see all of it is basically going to be grayed out in this black and white color. As you can see, messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. Now if I go ahead and tap on the lone more button over here, you'll be able to see what the secret conversation or end-to-end encryption basically means. Now it says that end-to-end encryption adds extra security and protection to your messages and calls in a conversation, so that only you and whoever you're talking to can see, hear or read them. The content of your messages and calls in an end-to-end encrypted conversation is protected from the moment it leaves the device to the moment it reaches the receiver's device. This means that nobody during this delivery, including Meta, can see or listen to what's sent or said. So that's what I said earlier. It means that from the moment the messages is leaving from your device until and unless it doesn't reach the receiver's device, no one else is actually going to be able to track this message, even including Meta themselves. If you look closely, it says how end-to-end encryption works. Every device in an end-to-end encrypted conversation has a special key that's used to protect the conversation. When you send a message in an end-to-end encrypted conversation, your device locks the message as it's sending. This message can only be unlocked by a device that owns one of the special keys for that conversation. The same is true for the content of your video and audio conversations. No one can read your messages or hear your calls except the people who have the special keys. So your friend also needs to have the special keys. For example, if I go ahead and simply send any of the messages to this particular person, it is going to take a while to reach that particular person, but in order for them to access this particular conversation, they would need a special key. So for that, you have to tap on the eye icon, and you can see all of these settings. You can see end-to-end encryption, as you can see, and you can see this person, basically these are some of the keys which can be accessed by that person. And you also have my keys which can be accessed by me as well. All of the devices have special keys, so you want to be sure of that particular thing. So once you've done that, this is basically how you can actually use the secret conversation on Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.